We're making a sheet pan lemon garlic chicken. Oh my God, let's go. Feel free to screenshot this sauce so you get all the correct measurements, but we are making a citrusy, garlicky, buttery sauce. It has a little bit of a kick because it has some sriracha and red pepper flake, but it's not spicy, trust me. Just give that a good mix and make sure you keep it warm because mine hardens, you'll see, but yeah. Cut up a whole head, is that what they're called? Head of asparagus and chicken, dice that up. Then I just season my chicken with salt, pepper, and onion powder. Then you're gonna grab the biggest sheet pan you have, line it with some aluminum foil, and lay all of that out together. I added extra flavor, God, because like, why not? And then it's time for the star of the show. Ooh, that butter. Oh my God. But like I said, mine did harden, so it kind of came out clumpy, but that's okay. We tossed her up. Then you're going to grab your pan and you're going to put it into the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, the smell in my house. When you take this out, it is so...